Have you ever taken your DJI Spark apart and can't remember the correct location for all the screws? These are the screws for the top cover. These are the screws for the stabilizer bracket for the forward-looking camera and the collision avoidance. These are the screws for the GPS unit. Correct location of the antenna for the Wi-Fi and the packing. The two main board screws. The two screws for the lower back left bracket and two mainboard screws and packing. Screws for the collision avoidance and forward-looking camera. Two screws for the camera mounting to the IMU unit. Four screws for the IMU unit. Screws for the main wiring bracket hold down. Two screws for the IR cover. The IR unit with two screws. Screws for the battery latch. Screws for the ECS cover. Screws for the propeller lock. Three screws for the motor mount. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it helps.